We will now write a small program and try it on Cadem CNC mill, program simulation software. This is a small program to cut a square groove. This is the beginning of the program with the program number. This is the tool change command. This is the spindle speed and direction. These lines move the tool at rapid to the start position for cutting. This line moves the tool into the material and F is the feed rate. These lines cut the four sides of the square. This line moves the tool rapidly out of the part. This line stops the spindle. This line moves the tool rapidly away from the part. This is the end of the program. The program is now done. We now specify what the tool is. We'll check the program to see if it is correct. The software is telling us that there are some errors. We'll correct these. We check for errors once again and find that there are no errors. We can now see the tool path simulation. We will now see the simulation for a program with a canned cycle. We'll just call an existing program. You can see the G73 command, the canned cycle for peck drilling. The few lines below it are the positions at which holes need to be drilled. We see the simulation. You can see in the simulation that a lot of motions are being performed as a result of this single canned cycle command. From the CNC programs that you saw just now, you have probably realized that CNC programming is not a complex job. A lot of people think that programming is the main job in cutting a part on a CNC machining center. That if you just enter a program on the machine and press a button, the part gets done. This is wrong. Like this picture shows, programming is just one of the steps involved in cutting a part. There are multiple steps, each involving thinking. Only 20% of the thinking is in programming, while the rest is in other activities.